In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shade cells in Google Sheets, a simple trick that can make your spreadsheets not only more visually appealing, but also more organized and easier to navigate. Let's dive in and walk you through each step so you can start adding a splash of color to your data effortlessly. First things first, open your Google Sheet. If you're not already in the sheet you intend to work on, go ahead and navigate to your Google Drive, find the file, and open it. Once you're inside your sheet, take a moment to look over your data and decide which cell or range of cells would benefit from a bit of color. Maybe you want to highlight a specific row of important figures or a column that contains crucial information. Next, it's time to select that cell or range of cells you want to shade. Simply click on the first cell, and if you're selecting a range, hold down your mouse button or Shift key while you drag over the adjacent cells you wish to include. You'll see a blue outline appear around the cells you've chosen, indicating that your selection is active and ready for customization. Once you've got your cells selected, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen. Here you'll find the fill color icon, which resembles a paint bucket. Give it a click, and you'll see a drop-down palette filled with an array of color options for you to choose from. You can select any color you fancy, whether you're opting for a vibrant shade to make things pop or a more subdued tone for a professional look. The palette offers a diverse selection. If you're looking for a specific brand color or something unique, you can even explore clicking Custom to input a hex code for precision. Choose your preferred color by clicking on it, and just like magic, your previously selected cells will now be shaded in the hue you picked. It's as simple as that. This technique can be especially helpful for categorizing data, marking deadlines, indicating errors, or just adding a bit of personal flair. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to shading cells in Google Sheets. As you can see, adding color to your spreadsheet not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also aids in better data visualization and organization. Whether you're preparing a detailed budget, project timeline, or simply organizing a list, this function allows you to emphasize and neatly arrange information with ease. Feel free to experiment with different colors and arrangements to see what works best for your projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials on harnessing the full potential of your favorite apps and tools. See you next time.